Hi everyone, today we will learn how to SSH into your EC2 instance using Linux or Mac. SSH is one of the most important functions. It's allowed to control a remote machine or server all using command line. So let's start. Now open a browser. I have already logged in my AWS user account. Now I'm click this is the EC2 console dashboard. Now I'm going to click the instant tab. I am going to log in my test server. Engineer AWS, this is my test server. Now tick this. Then click the security tab. We have to ensure that our SSH 2020 port is exist in security group. This is SSH port is already exist. Now go to top and click the connection button. Then click SSH client. Now please find the pin file. I have saved my pin file here, so I select this and open the terminals. Then copy the command, first command, and paste here. Then copy second command, paste here. Look this, I have successfully logged in my test server. Now you can check this who am I. So look this, I have this is EC2 user, so I have logged in my EC2 server using SSH pin file. That's it. Thanks for watching.